Tell me what you want. Is it me, Jesus?
No, it's not you.
Is it me, Jesus?
No, it's not you either.
Is it me, Jesus?
It's me, Jesus.
ASMR.
Oh, that doesn't even sound like ASMR.
ASMR, you've got to be quiet.
Hey, what's up everyone?
Hey guys, it's nice to see you again. Welcome back to our channel if you're new here. If you're not new here, what am I talking about if you're new here? Sorry. Anyways, if this is the first time you've seen our faces or knowing of our existence, hi. How are you doing today? You look cute. Started, shall we?
Get a little couple of biscuits.
Yeah, get a little drink. You know, we're about to spill all the tea about how to make and sorry.
Okay.
Save and make money. Sorry, we didn't really rehearse this.
We didn't practice that one. It's not scripted, as you can tell.
Yeah. So without further ado,
let's just get started.
Very quickly, before we start, just want to let you know we're gonna save the best for last. So you actually have to watch the video. We're not gonna say which last, because it could be lost for her, lost for me. But
it could be somewhere in the middle, technically.
Exactly. But all you need to know, you essentially, you have to watch the video to get it. Okay.
So no skipping. Commercial over.
Commercial. Just even a commercial or get back to the video, whatever.
Anyways, do you want to go first with how to?
Oh, we're making money. Guys, sorry, I was like, oh, we're making money. I was thinking, why am I going first? Guys, we've got, I'm not going to show you the proper list, but we've got a list, like.
Got a list.
Because I'm the queen of making money, she's the queen of saving money, so we're going to give you make. Well,
technically, I feel like I'm kind of both, when you think about it.
But in this sense, I know more ways how to make money.
Oh wait, before you start, we're sort of halving it. So first bit will be all about making money, then the second bit will be all about saving money.
I thought I just said that.
I don't know if you did, but
if I did, now it's there. So first thing to do. Excuse me, that was so rude of me.
That was strong.
Anyway, sorry. First one I've got, and it's the typical one.
Common one.
The main common one. But sell items, like any unwanted or unused item, whether it be your item or a family member's. Yeah. So for instance, on again, I've got some tea. This is when I'm about to sprinkle some tea on Depop. Is it fit? Is that how you say it? Is it fit? You can sell your unwanted books or whatever for money.
Like a library type thing.
Essentially, yeah. Magpie, that was it. I was trying to figure out where you can sell your CDs and all of that. Magpie. Anyways, Magpie is only one, yeah. Vinted, Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy. Good.
7 different places.
You've got 7 different places to sell your things. You've got options. Now, here's the real tea.
Yes.
The real tea behind it is you don't even need to sell your own stuff. Let's say, for instance, a collage wall. You don't even need to actually own the products. You can find pictures on Pinterest or whatever. Slap them, print them, slap them together and sell it. People sell them for like 20 to 50 quid, even more. It depends on the texture of the paper.
Like, as in, if it's like, you know those printing, but like the picture
glossy ones, that's it.
That's way too long to think of that word.
Brain cells are gone, man. Essentially, you can really just do that and you'll be making money. So you don't even need to own it.
Basically, it's like almost like investing.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You good? Do you need a moment?
No, I'm good, sorry.
Anyways, it's sort of like investing in a way, because like you invest in the product to resell it.
Exactly. That goes into my next bit. You can buy something. Let's say, for instance, I'm not saying this, but I'm going to use this for an example. You can get trainers, right? You see these Yeezys, that's it. I was about to say, what are they called? These Yeezys, you can get them. Or even if you want to get them in white. It'll make more sense what I'm about to say. Get in white, customize it, make it your own.
Sell it.
And then sell it for a higher price.
I mean, don't go too adventurous.
Because, you know, someone might not buy it, but...
And you may not be artistic like that.
But it's an idea. Or you can use Air Forces, you know, like paint.
Painty.
And then
voila.
Up the price and voila. Next thing you can do work for others. So essentially, you know, Fiverr, for instance, they could need you to edit something or type up something or design something or whatever. Let's say you're on a different time zone. Like, we're here, GMT time.
Yep.
And then someone could be in America time and they need something done for their morning.
Time, yeah.
They need something done for their time next morning or whatever. You know what I mean? You do it, send it to them, they send you the money. Regardless, you're still getting
paid.
Disclaimer, do it right, you know. Don't
mess about with it. It could actually be something important.
Exactly. It could really be a life or death situation.
It could make or break them in hindsight.
Yeah, but then why would they
I mean, yeah, exactly. Why would they do that? But
why would they do that?
point being is there's lazy people.
You know what I mean? Another way of making money, affiliate links. Now this really only works if you're, for instance, us.
Well,
not us, but
not yet, at least. Hopefully, at some point we'll get there. But the point being is,
oh no, we can make money off affiliate links. The thing is, we don't really need to, but debatable. Debatable, but affiliate links is a way. You know, like I could have a product, for instance. Let me not even mansplain it. I have a product and it's my link. You click on the link, you buy it, but it doesn't cost you anything extra.
yeah, it just basically gives her the commission.
Yeah.
It could be like 10%, 5%, whatever it may be. But point being is, she gets something from you just simply using her link and not searching for it on the actual website.
Yeah, like I've already got you, sent you directly to it, like an Amazon storefront.
Yeah.
Right. Next, I'm legit gonna just quickly run through these. These are basically like little jobs you can do. So, or talking about jobs, just get a job.
Well, I know time's tough out here right now, but somewhere they're hiring.
Yeah.
Somewhere. You
Yeah.
just need to look.
Oh, sorry. I thought I lost everything. I was about to cry because I was about to be like, how do I make money now?
Work.
Like, how do I make money now?
How do I tell people how to do it?
I thought I lost it. Sorry. So you can babysit, dog walk, be a makeup artist. You don't
Makeup.
if you're good at it or
Decent.
very decent at it. Invest your money,
Stocks and shares.
but do it wisely and make sure you do a lot of research because.
Oh yeah, don't just flub it yourself into it kind of thing. Make sure you know about it.
Disclaimer, I am not telling you to do it. It is a very good and smart way to do it.
You just need to do it correctly.
Do it correctly. Do not come and say I'm telling you
Don't
to
say
do it.
we sent you when it goes wrong.
Oh my goodness me, because I will laugh. I will, the thing is, I will text her and be like, this person said this
look
us.
at what they did.
They're like, they said this to me, and I will just laugh at each other. Anyways,
Yes.
you can be a virtual assistant for someone.
Sort of like a PA.
What
the hell was that?
I don't know. I was trying to say, yeah, essentially. I don't even know if I said this. Did I say you can review music?
No.
Oh, you can
That's
review
your next
music.
one then.
That's my next one. What people would do, they'll give you music, see if you like it, see what you don't, or the general public, for instance, you get paid to do that before they actually release it, you know?
That's great though. All you have to do is just sit in your room and listen to music all day.
Yeah,
Essentially.
you legit get paid for it. There was like this other thing. Apparently, I don't know if this is true. A little birdie told me. I found it online. That's the little birdie. Apparently, Netflix.
Yeah, they can pay you to watch
a
it.
movie.
I've seen that, but
And review
I don't
it.
know if it's true because hey, if it is, sign me up. I'll gladly do that.
Now, this one is really if you're of age. Not in that sense. We're not there yet. We're not at that one yet. But you can Airbnb your house. I was trying to think. I was gonna say rent your house, but
It's
you're not.
kind of like renting, but
Yeah, Airbnb your house. Like you can make.
But I don't really know what the age is to be able to rent.
I don't know
technically
what it is either.
Put your house up. So I know at the moment it was 25.
Well, here in the UK, probably
Yeah, in
it's
the
just
UK,
25.
you have to be 25 to to actually rent an Airbnb. But this is only at the moment.
Yeah.
Before it was usually from like 18, I think.
But all y'all want to be doing parties, doing up link ups, doing
Doing
up
house parties,
sneaky sesh in the house,
which
and
made
you ruined
to
it.
25.
You ruined it for all of us.
You're ruining it.
Ruined it. This one here is for my students, my uni students, or past graduates, whatever.
Did you say past graduate?
Yeah, you're a past graduate.
Isn't it a postgraduate?
They're all the same thing, postgraduate, past graduate, anyways. You can write someone's essay, but you don't actually have to be a graduate. Or you need to have at least knowledge. But
Okay,
hear
so
me
yeah.
out. People do pay a lot for it.
Or just sell your work.
Yeah, in general.
Basically.
But if you're gonna do it, I beg
Please
you.
do it properly. Don't just sign up for this for the easy
I mean, yeah, it's their fault for not doing their own work.
Yeah.
But we don't know what's going on in their life.
But yeah,
You know what I mean?
it could be tough times.
Oh, very tough time. Next we have this. This is for all my girls and ladies, boys. If you want to wear a wig and dress up, I don't mind. Like, this is for you. This is for you
Anyone
guys.
listening.
Just make and customize wigs. I promise you, people, we will pay loads of money for it. Like, people pay loads of money for it.
You can find one that's top price.
Now this one is for my content creators. And when I say content creators, I legit mean content creators. I don't
Creators.
Don't worry, I don't want to jump ahead of ourselves right now. Content creators in the sense of you could be a videographer, a photographer, a model, whatever. You can help someone
With their work.
yeah, with their work in the sense of helping them make their work, as in you could film their videos.
Basically their portfolio almost. In a
Yeah,
way.
I'm almost done, don't worry, I'm not going to take up too much more of your time. Now this one, okay, when I say I'm going to say this without saying the word, and I'm going to give you guys a few seconds to guess
figure
the
it
word.
out.
Exactly. So you can build up your Instagram by being a
You have to be of age to be a
you know, and then people
pay for your services when you're a
because you know what, there's a lot of people nowadays that claim they're this, but they're the ones asking us what should they do. So that's the tea for today. Now lastly, this one, this is a disclaimer, I'm not telling you to do this, but I have seen results.
This is your own choice.
This is by your own choice, whatever you're doing. OnlyFans. Did you get that? I don't really need to explain it.
Everyone knows what it is.
At this point, everyone knows what it is. Make sure of age. I'm not telling, this is the disclaimer, the biggest disclaimer, I'm not telling you to do it, because I'm not telling you to do it and then something happens and goes wrong and you come back to me, because I would be like, who sent you? I mean,
you did.
Fam, listen, we're like the big or little sisters that you wish you had in life.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I'm not telling you to do it, but the idea's there. You know, you don't have to do all that. You could legit just
use your...
Because people...
Do you know so many people out there?
Fam.
You just need to have nice feet. And that's pretty much it. I have white toes.
I feel like jumping on this wave now. Actually, no,
if
never
you heard
mind.
that, she didn't mean it.
No, I ain't gonna do that. Of course not.
Sips the tea.
Anyways, I believe I'm pretty much done.
Moving on to my specialty of this video, how to save the money you've now just made. So the first one, very basic, very simple, create a savings account. You may think now that it's not relevant, trust me, it's very relevant and very much needed.
Without a saving account,
you wouldn't be anywhere.
I would have struggled in life.
Honestly, like you don't, until you've got one and you like need it, you don't realise how beneficial it is to have one.
Mate.
I didn't have one for the longest time.
The stories I could share if
I didn't have one.
If I didn't have one, the stories I could share with you guys.
But anyways, moving on, the next one is give yourself a maximum amount of money you can spend in a month, which aka budgeting.
Oh, okay.
For instance, let's say you have a standing order of £400 from what you get paid, let's say if you're working. You put that into your current account and for the month, that's the only thing you can spend. You can't go over, you can go under, but you can't go over it. Very simple.
Okay.
Then I've put down, it's kind of similar in a way, but I put aside a set amount each week and month to your savings. So this is where it goes different. This is basically where you don't touch this money and you keep it in your savings account or whatever you decide to save with. It could be even a piggy bank, for instance. So
essentially like put in £5 a week.
Yeah, you choose the maximum amount that you do because for everyone obviously it's different. I'm not going to say do £100 or do £10. You decide that part.
And then like by the end of the year, voila. Oh my goodness.
Get out of my brain.
That was stinkt. That was so in sync. Anyway, sorry.
Then the next one.
She said get out of my brain. It just looked into my head.
Just process.
Sorry.
So the next one that I've got is try to shop on sale items. Sometimes we all go online shopping and we just go straight into like the new win or like a specific category, but no one ever really checks out the sale items unless you're absolutely broke. But yeah, look at the sale items. A lot of places as well, you actually find like really good things. The next one I've got, going technically along with sale items, it's see if there's any discount codes. A lot of online stores nowadays always have a discount code going on. PLT, Motel Rocks, Zara at the moment is doing a great sale. There's a load of them.
Try honey.
Yeah, that's a good one. Then this is more for like the students out there. Uni days. Uni days is always great. I don't have it, but she does. So hey, you know who I go to.
Uni days, student beam.
Yeah, I don't know.
And there was another one. I don't remember. I won't say it.
But yeah, they're also very useful, especially even if it's just like 10%. But that 10% is doing you a lot of saving already.
Honestly.
Then I've put down, going still off the shopping vibes, stop impulse buying. We all do it. We all see something that we like and we're like, we're just gonna get it. It can only be £2, but all these little £2 here and there that you stop yourself from buying, at the end of the year, you're gonna thank yourself for it.
I have a very good tip because I was one of them.
Think
of it this way: if you see something and then you're thinking about it for still the next week, then buy it. But don't buy it in that moment. But if you're thinking about it like a week or 2 weeks from then you can buy it.
Yeah, and don't let, as hard as this may be, don't let people influence you into buying it unless it's something that's like absolutely necessary to your life. And then the next one I've got is get rid of Apple Pay, because nowadays we rely a lot on Apple Pay because it's just a touch. I mean, it's kind of the same as a contactless card, but the point being is you're probably more fast to take out your phone than taking out your card. So yeah, get rid of it. Second to last one is food at home. We need to stop the takeaways. It's not needed. You've got hands, you've got ingredients, you've got a kitchen, go cook it.
That's right, that's absolutely right.
That's absolutely right. But yeah, and last one that I've got now, this is for all my smokers out there. Quit the smoking. I know it's hard, I know it's going to be a long journey, but quit it, because you don't actually realize how much you're spending on buying cigarettes daily, because most smokers out there will go for a pack in like a day at most. So stop it, leave it alone, throw it away, buy nicotine gum if you must, get rid of it.
And I swear, I'm not coming for anyone, but like you alcoholics out there, I don't care if you only have occasional drinkers, you're an alcoholic. That's, to me, you're an alcoholic. Limit it, because I realized how much money you,
or like don't go for like don't go for your Cirocs, don't go for your
I mean, if you've got the money in there,
don't go for your Ray nephew, don't go for the expensive drinks all the time that you want to drink. Sometimes just go for the cheaper options. I know they can be but go for them, because you'll thank yourself afterwards. But that pretty much brings me to the end on the saving money part of this video.
Yay. So, did you see the most important tip?
Mm-hmm.
If you watched the video, you did. But if you skipped to this bit, I'm so sorry.
You missed out.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. The tip is somewhere back there.
Yeah, you have to go back.
Wait, no, this way back.
Yeah,
you have to go
that
back.
way.
Yeah, you gotta go back.
Go
and
backwards.
watch. It's somewhere in there. I don't even think we said which one was the special tip. No, you know what? We'll insert it. We'll insert this is the special tip.
Basically a
this
replay.
Yeah. No, actually, no, we're not even gonna insert it here. If you want to know, you have to watch the video.
You know what? Choose yourself what you think the special tip was. But for that, you need to go watch all the tips that we're given.
But that brings us to the end of this video.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed the video on how to make/save the money.
If you know of any other special, sorry, I'm dancing.
You know of any other special ways.
If you know of any special, anyways, if you know of any tips to save money, bring us in.
Put them down below. You know what? We can help each other out.
You don't have. I mean, you don't have to. You can even message it to us.
Yeah.
Separately, be like, this is what you need to do.
This is what you need to do.
Sugar dad.
Sugar
Sorry, that just came to my head. I'm gonna. Yeah, that's a good way to make money, because
realistically, yeah.
Anyways,
great.
Anyways, I'm not telling you to do it, but anyways,
I'm telling you to do it. But yeah, that's more or less it from us. We hope you guys enjoyed watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.
Make sure to turn on post notifications so you know when we next upload.
And you, sorry, that was so dramatic. I'm so
aggressive.
You. Anyways, but you don't forget to follow our social medias, which will be here on the screen or linked down below.
And yeah, we'll see you guys next week.
Will we? Yes,
Yeah.
we will. So sorry,
We see them always next week.
Oh, it is every week. I'm not really giving you guys the love today, but it's fine.
But anyways,
we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.